Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just try and do your makeup in 5 minutes. I've seen other YouTubers do it before and it looks so stressful. Basically you've just got to rush and try and get your makeup looking as good as possible in 5 minutes. I don't know how hard this will be for me. I feel like it might be quite easy because I'm always late for work, so I'm always rushing it anyway. So it might be okay, but we'll see. I will be skipping my brows as well because they're already filled in from, I filled them in with like fake tan last night and it actually worked. So, but if you want to see how I get on and you want to see what my makeup turns out like, then carry on watching and enjoy the video. So I haven't got anything out, it's all in my drawers as well, so you may hear me opening and closing my drawers, but if I get it all out it'll be easier, so I want to make it as hard as possible. And I'm going to start now. So I'm going to start with foundation and I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop and just pop that on a brush. A brush is definitely the best thing to use for foundation because it's the quickest. I've just realised I put fake tan on yesterday, so this colour definitely isn't my shade now. I should have thought about that, but I can't really mess around with that right now, so. I think it would be okay as I don't need to do my brows because they take the longest, so skipping that step I think is going to really help. Pop some more on, but I need to try and make sure I don't go over my eyebrows because if I do it might rub them off. I don't really know. Yesterday basically I was doing my tan and I haven't done it in ages and I just thought I'm going to try and just fill in my brows with a really small like detail brush just to see if the tan like stays on them. And I woke up this morning and my brows were done, so it did seem to work. And I also plucked them as well and used some small scissors just to cut the hairs to shape them a bit better, and it seems to have worked nicely. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I haven't actually washed off my tan yet, so I don't know if that's maybe just going to wash off when I have a shower, but I'll keep you all updated on my Instagram story because I'm very, I'm on that all the time at the moment. Oh, my arm's aching. Oh my god, it's been a minute already. Oh, my arm. Right, that's enough of the foundation. Now concealer, I'm going to use the NYX HD Studio Concealer and I'm just going to do under my eyes for now. I don't think I've really got time to be messing around. I'll just use a brush. Just stippling that on. Maybe I'll just use my finger, that might even be easier. How long have I got left? Oh my god, 2 minutes 16, that's gone so quick. I thought I had a little more time. Right, powder. I'm going to use this MUA Luxe one and just get a big fluffy brush. Thought I'd got a lot more done by now, to be honest. Right, now bronzer. I'm going to use this IT Cosmetics bronzer. How long have I got? 1 minute 40. My arm's killing me. Right, blush. I'm using the accessorised one because it's nice and glowy. How long have I got? 1 minute 9. Highlight. I'm going to use the Sleek Solstice palette. Just going to do my cheeks and nose for now. I ain't got time for that. Now I'm going to do eyes, so I'm just going to get a big fluffy brush and just get a palette. Oh my god. Just going to get this Makeup Revolution palette. Oh god. And I'm just going to go into the pink, I think. How long have I got? 30 seconds. Oh my god, that's gone so quick. And mascara. Ooh. Just gonna use this one from W7. And hopefully I've got time for lips. Oh my god, 4 seconds, 4 seconds. Done. So this is the final look. Let me just sort my lips out. I don't put any more product on, I just... Right. I mean, this is a bit of a hot mess, to be honest. My face makeup was fine, but I took way too long putting the foundation on, so then I didn't really have time for everything else. I mean, I got some eyeshadow on, but it's not very pigmented at all. I just picked up the first palette I could see, so I didn't really plan that out, to be honest, as you can see. I jammed a bit of mascara on and some pink lips. So, yeah, I mean, it's not the worst. If I had to do brows as well, I wouldn't have got anywhere apart from brows, I think. But, I mean, I don't think I completely failed, but I definitely did not succeed. I do not like this look at all. I would not go out like this, I'll be honest. But that's it. This is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, it's a really quick one, but if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and comment below if you've done this challenge or if you're going to do this challenge. If you do, tag me. If you do it on Instagram, tag me on your Instagram video, and if you do it on YouTube, then just let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely go and check out your videos. If you just press the bell icon, you can get notifications for when I upload videos in the future, and I hope you enjoyed.